If you haven't seen the last videos, took an ATC250R, basically cut the frame up and stuffed the 500 in it. I'm excited.
Should have got the pit bike.
I'll be honest, I never rode a 500 without a damn seat, but look at that thing, man.
I know.
I think it's beautiful. Oh, she's got compressions.
Let's do this.
That. Now give it everything you got. That wasn't everything.
Has it got? Oh, it's got that little bit right there. All right.
Let's pull start it. Wow, this thing looks good out in the sun.
So I had videoed it. I was like, this thing looks sick.
Wow. You know, it sucks when you stare at it this close for a couple months and you're in the dark. It doesn't look the same. You get it outside, it's a whole different bike. Oh yeah, I think it's freaking awesome, man. The red just pops. Probably can't catch it in the camera, but this is all brand new OEM cover, outer cover and inner cover. It's got the nice silver sparkle to it.
Oh yeah,
Just-
you can see that.
Just a nice touch. It's cool when you can find new parts like that. Obviously the red frame, gold swing arm, polished wheels.
The JSV pipe.
Oh yeah, she's a beaut. Billet triples, invert kit. I don't know if we're doing a, what are we doing right now, Alex? I'm lost. You gonna start this thing up?
We're gonna pull stuff up.
Okay. You guys want to try just pushing me, or?
We can try just pushing it.
Yeah, I
We
don't
got the
know.
last one to start.
Okay. We're being bitches right now.
Pussies.
Yeah, something like that. You can't say that on YouTube. You're gonna get in trouble.
No.
Who's that?
Can't say such things. I don't really know. Waiting on this.
I just sat on it. I'll be fine if he tries it.
So you're gonna build the drive it though?
You're good.
You got this?
You got this.
You got this? He's gonna sit on it. We're gonna push.
I'll just hit the grab bar.
Okay.
Just let off when I.
No, we'll start it up. Okay. Normally you show it off. So anytime you build a 500, I don't recommend just trying to kickstart it. Just push start. Get it started, tune your carburetor, make sure your idle's set. Don't put a hole in the case, it'd be a bad time.
Yeah, go.
Should have got the pit bike. This looks so fun.
Start walking that way. Go faster. Up shit. ripper.
Sounds nice.
I'll be honest, I never rode a 500 without a damn seat. But look at that thing, man.
I know.
I think it's beautiful. Alex learned how to shift and brake on that adventure.
That probably was like the worst deal dude ever. I didn't know you didn't know how to shift. First of all.
Like, upshift.
He didn't know what he was
Thing
doing.
like pinned in second gear.
First gear on that is pretty much super low when it starts the first.
That's funny.
Oh,
Poor Alex.
Great, though.
Yeah.
So if you haven't seen the last videos, we took an ATC250R, basically cut the frame up and stuffed the 500 in it. I'm excited. We added our billet triple clamps, invert forks. It's all modern suspension. The rear shock we basically tore down, rebuilt, revalved it. Our customer already had a +4 swing arm, so it's a lot better than it was. This JSV pipe, man. Every 500 we do, I try to run this ever since we got it on mine. It's just a clean setup. There's more room for the coolant hoses on the older bikes with that coolant hose running by the head right there. You can kind of see how we built the silencer to work. We really wanted that angled silencer on there, so we had to modify the mid pipe pretty heavily. This whole lower rail was cut out, dropped, and readjusted. I'll insert some clips from the last video of how we actually did that. It was all 3D scanned in and built on a fixture. The right way to do it. Right, John?
Yes.
We don't want our tubes moving. Bad time. So the reason we didn't put the seat on, somebody lost the seat bracket. It's in a tote, on a shelf, behind another tote, buried. We're gonna dig it out. We're actually gonna powder cut it, get it installed on the fresh seat. I think, was it Cosmic Quads? Mm-hmm. They did a $500 seat cover. We're excited to see how that's gonna look. We're pretty much to the point of getting the plastic on this thing. We were damn close. Didn't think it was gonna be running today. We kind of just stayed a little bit late. Yeah, I'm excited. I am excited. So I guess stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna get the plastic on, get it all buttoned up, and go from there. If you guys like trikes and custom built parts for ATC250Rs or 500 swaps, check out bbctrikes.com. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Like I said, we're gonna get this thing buttoned up tomorrow and take it for an actual test ride. See you guys in the next one. Now it's time to start it. Go back to the sweet spot. After you, sir. You ride it in. Huh? Ride it in. Oh, door's not open. That's nice. That's nice. I thought she was on that.
I thought so too. I was like, she ain't stopping, bud.
Well, I say that's it for today.
All right.